Hey y'all guys, again, this is MzSucc3zz Jewelry and Accessories. These are to go with pearls, necklace, earrings with the pearls, hoop earrings. That was the tag back there. Okay. But you know the circle, like they look like hoop earrings, and the beads they hang down from the hoop. All right, I like this one. This is like a body necklace. It goes above the boobs and hangs down, or the breast, if you want to call it. All right, this pearl. These like a choker, so that's why I have it in a circle plate, like a choker bead. Choker pearl necklace. So I have, how many? I got 3 necklaces like these. So they $8 a piece. So I have 3 in all. Then it's another pearl necklace. It's $10. The pearls are not plastic. Next one, this one have the gold change with the pearls. This is $10. Heavy too. Next one, a body necklace. Pearls, big pearl balls. The necklace, I have 2 of these, so they $5 each, with dangly earrings. If you can see, earrings. This one don't have earrings. This one don't have one. 3 of these, the 3 necklaces I have left, they don't have earrings. But this one have earrings. This one's $12. I should have put it in a circle plate for it to be more. So this $12 necklace have earrings to go with it. So these 3 don't have earrings. This necklace have earrings, but the other necklace it don't. Then next necklace. This is like a choker necklace. It's not pearls. That's regular beads in there. And this necklace have earrings that go with the design of the beads inside of it. So this necklace is $7. Not make it 7 correctly. 5, 2 of these, 1 of these. This is $10, and it's heavy because the change down there to the bottom sparkle. And this one, $10. This is $8. I have 3 of these. Yeah, 3 of these. I have 1 necklace. This one. So I'll come back with the next video. Sorry about my junky table. I'm just trying to get ready.